That's funny. Well, I think I need a 13 just in case.
This fucking thing.
Yeah. There's probably a lot of shit I could throw out.
Also, there's no battery tray. And I found a 7.
That's random. There was one at one point, a battery tray that I came across. Oh, it is recording. Yeah. Gotta catch all live action.
Live action. That's right.
Such a good spot for a battery. Oh Lord, what the hell?
There's no battery tray.
So it just chills like it's...
Basically.
All right, hang on. Let me pop the. Okay. Ooh, there's a couple wires here that are cut.
Chewed or cut?
Uh,
So it could either be rodent damage, or if it's cut, then it was cut on purpose.
they look cut. It looks like a clean cut.
Yeah. Throttle sticking. You got WD-40?
Yeah.
I would go grab some, yeah. Oh, I see. That's for the IAT, isn't it? Yeah,
Okay.
it's probably not gonna run right. Yeah, we could try to. I think we should fix that real quick.
Yeah.
This needs to be tied up. Oh, what did that go to?
That's what I'm saying. There's like a bunch of wires that are just like.
It's not terrible though, so that's okay.
Yeah. If I can match the wire colors up, it's not a big deal. But
Yeah. Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed. You can't really get it without a straw, dude.
I have one. Cause yeah, that thing should cycle pretty smooth.
It's pretty sticky right now.
This boot is torn, but I don't think that matters too much.
No, that should be okay with that. Well, actually, that's after the IAT, so I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference or not.
Depends on where the manifold pressure sensor is, I guess. Imagine if it was just that IAT sensor that was like chewed.
Well, I don't think he had a problem getting it started. He had a problem tuning it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's from it. That's from. Looks like it has some rodent damage.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go look under the dash.
This air box is just
Yeah.
a big yikes. Hi, Remy. You want to be in my YouTube video?
Honestly, I think we're gonna be okay in here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good at least.
Because this is up here.
Yeah.
Kind of would be really hard for everyone to see it in there. The glove box though.
Because I see some rodent turds right where the shifter is. Yeah.
Oh, there's one wire here chewed actually.
Oh shit.
What? What the fuck? Okay. Where did that go?
That's super weird. Because it's a wideband. He's got some weird switch here that I've never seen.
Huh?
I don't know what that's for.
I don't remember what it was.
Yeah.
Is everything behind the... AQ controls and the radio, or where the radio looks fine.
Yeah. This thing's all jerry rigged. Bye bye.
Bam. Oh damn.
Ooh.
Go home.
And this is a special boot too. Yeah, that's where the IAT sensor is.
Yeah.
Maybe
we'll put it right here next.
Yeah. Yeah,
move it.
that's easy to drill and tap. Oh, let's see. Yeah, one of the wires chewed off of that.
Take this boot off right here.
Yeah.
Let me see if there's a part number. Stroker WD-40.
Yeah. Oh, that's a OEM BMW one too.
Oh, nice. There you go, part number. So you should be able to buy one. There you go. Yeah, you probably make a better for that.
Yeah.
Or ditch it.
I'll probably ditch it.
Oh, these are cool.
A lot more room now.
Looks like the headlight wiring's not chewed, so that's cool.
That's good.
Yeah, the stuff behind the gauge cluster, I mean, you'll have to fix for sure, but it shouldn't cause any issues.
Yeah.
I didn't see anything grounding off on any metal yet.
Cause this is a little fucking baby wire.
Bobby. Ooh, it's pretty clean in there. Wow, that's nice.
Is it?
It's not brown
Nice.
like they usually are.
Yeah.
Or wherever that goes to, which I'm assuming is the white band. No, exactly. Oh, that's gross. There's a fucking turd in that plug.
I don't think this is this one.
There's two of them. So there's that one, and then there's this one. But this wire,
Ow.
both of them go to the same plug to a box down there, and the box runs down.
Okay, so these ones are to log on
That's what it is.
the yeah, the wideband. Not immediately necessary, but yeah, and then obviously there's a lot of power going to these babies, so
And the wiring isn't cut.
I wonder what's up with this.
That went to one of these.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, that should be fine. Damn. That's pretty good actually.
Yeah.
Do you think it has oil? Should we check?
On the other side?
Should probably check that before we try to crank it. Let's see. Yeah,
Got well?
it's pretty dirty.
It'll work.
Well, I'm just gonna touch it.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Ooh, that's got a lot of spark on it. Huh.
Nothing?
That's not a good sign. It's 12 volts, so maybe I can connect this a little bit better.
Yeah, probably that connection. Kind of scratch the surface of whatever.
Yeah,
touching.
it's good.
Yeah, because there could be corrosion. Okay. Should we try and turn the key?
I don't see anything else that's bad yet.
Nothing's hot.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Oh, yeah, you're good. It's in there.
Okay.
Ground it out. And see if we get power. Ready?
Yep. Nothing.
Let's just go stand.
Ew.
Spoke too soon, Mike.
Ew.
Those wires.
Oh no, that's bad. That's
Colorful spaghetti, bro.
that's not good.
So this is the worst part because it gets caught on,
Yeah.
on the dash.
And these don't have tilt wheels, do they? They're fixed. Now we're trying to figure out what freaking wires all the rats chewed.
Oh.
Because it's not starting. The ECU doesn't want to give the motor spark. So
Oh no!
what? Oh geez.
So that's where the red and gray wire came from.
Yeah, look at all that.
Ew. Oh, this will come out with this wheel. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wait. This,
Yeah, unplug those. Oh, okay.
oh, it's just a light. The cluster looks cool though.
Oh yeah. Let's see what other wires in here are messed up.
Moto meter.
Well, at least that'll be pretty easy to repair.
That looks like it just snipped off. Not even, or maybe that's chewed. I don't know.
Shoot, you can tell.
Yeah.
So this brown one right here.
Yeah.
This brown one, if you can see it, is frayed.
Yep.
They're all chewed. This one's got a bite right there.
Nice.
I mean, yeah, it should sit right about here.
Yeah.
You just gotta get a shorter DSSR, or the lever.
Is this really supposed to be grounded though? Because these two,
I'm not sure.
this is 80, 86, and 30.
Is it the trigger side? I forgot. 86 and 30. So that's the trigger side, isn't it?
Yeah.
$18 is constant 12 volt from battery. $19 is main ground.
Okay, so when I'm looking at it from this way, which...
It should be numbered, hold on. So
okay.
the longest row,
Okay, yeah,
one
so it
is
goes this
here.
way.
So 1, and then 20 through whatever.
Okay, so 2
So
is
yeah,
ground. We're good.
So try 18, not 18, 19?
First row.
Yeah, first row's 19. Should be that last plug on that row.
That's also ground?
Mm-hmm. It says main ground. Okay. 24 says it's another ground. Second row. So it starts at 20?
20.
Mm-hmm. And it could be a switched ground. I'm not sure what kind of ground it is. Doesn't necessarily mean that it works or not. But.
Okay.
So let's try for... So number 18 says it's constant 12 volt battery power.
Oh.
Should be second one from last on the top row.
Okay.
So I'll turn the key. Oh yeah, you got power. That's 11. Well, we did crank it a bit. Number 37 I mean, is switched power from main relay.
Oh, okay, that's important.
Mhm.
So, bottom row?
Yeah, the last one on the second row on this side. Says that one. Not that one. The last one.
Keys on?
Keys on. It might have to crank. Want me to crank it?
Sure. Go for it.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Nothing. Oh yeah, maybe that's the relay, because I don't even hear that thing click.
Yeah, I don't either.
This guy?
Mm-hmm.
This isn't doing shit. Do it again, I want to feel it. Yeah, that's not doing anything, so...
That might be something.
Yeah. Okay.
27 would be... So we'll have to count from the second row.
That starts with 20.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice.
Good there.
All right.
Let me check the other one. It's got to be something with that one random wire that's gone.
I think so too, yeah.
So let me check the other green one. This one goes here. Oof. Okay, that's great. That's
7 again. Maybe they go to the same pin. I'm not too sure.
It might be.
If not, we can go down that row or go down the rows and figure out which one it is.
Yeah.
I can tell you. Nope. So which one's that? Second row.
Second from the last.
Which is, let's see, 36. 36 is main relay output. So yeah, that's pretty important.
Yeah.
I think that's the relay he was saying that that they put in to get 12 volts to the ignition.
And that's probably the one that's fucked up right now and won't do anything.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. So I wonder if we could just jump it. So we found a wire here where it's a main relay for the entire ECU and the ground cable came off. So we're crimping a new one here. Yeah.
Do you need the light again?
No.
I'm gonna give it to you anyway.
Okay. Well, I think this whole thing's gonna need to be supported better. Okay, well, now we're gonna
Go ahead.
now we're gonna check to see if we got power. Well, yeah, let's see if it clicks.
Yeah, see if it clicks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Woo! Plug that ECU in, boy.
All right. Their little ECU here has some lights on it. I guess when it's on, or diagnostic mode, or who knows.
Wrong way.
Just kidding. Throws me off that it goes down. All right, buddy.
Ready?
See what we got. Oh, I saw that turn on for a second. That little B.
Well, I guess let's crank it. I was messing with the shifter. Shift to neutral.
Oh! Come on! Oh wait, let's see if it's got spark.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, go ahead.
Alright. He's on?
Yep. Oh, yeah, we got spark.
Oh, I don't hear the fuel pump in here for some reason.
Okay.
Where's that fuel pump relay? If it's still in.
Jump it. We're getting somewhere, boys. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Oh, boy, what is this?
I don't know. I don't like it though.
Looks a little suspect.
It's definitely a power for something.
A fat pipe. Oh.
Oh, it's just closed off. Okay, so maybe they don't. Maybe we don't need it.
Okay. Well, should I see if these are clicking or getting power?
It'll click under cranking.
Okay. That's clicking.
Oh yeah.
We got spark. So we have a dead pump, or?
There's no fuel in here, so that's good. If there's fuel in there, this regulator would be bad.
I didn't even hear the pump, or
I didn't either, because
I wondered what kind of pump. It probably stock pump. I don't know.
It could be plugged up. Well, spray some of that in there. The fire's off, and let's figure out how to get fuel to it.
Yeah, I don't have much of this, so
just a little bit will do.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Did you hear that?
You tried.
Nah, it wasn't clicking though.
Huh. Surgery in the hand center. Okay.
Bro, what the hell? It's like he got mad and just
work, you
work.
fucking.
Okay, this is not how you fix a fuel pump, by banging on the cover. Take note, please. So we're pulling the fuel pump cover to check to see if we got power.
Are those matches?
Next to the fuel pump. Why?
Ooh.
Literally right next to the fuel. Oh my god.
Let's see if they work.
Oh, they probably work.
Oh, they work a little bit. Ooh.
Oh lord. Dude, why is there so many wires under here? And a fuse, like, ew, ew.
What's that?
Ew.
Oh! I don't know what this is.
Ooh, piece of candy.
Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Huh?
What the hell's going on over there?
I broke the air freshener.
God, these things are crusty. Yikes.
You know what?
What?
Let's crank it and see if it buzzes.
Whoa.
That's that brake cleaner.
Yeah,
Is it
nothing.
buzzing?
No.
So we got either a dead fuel pump or not getting power to it. So now, let's figure out if it's even getting power.
Is this?
Injectors aren't clicking. I don't think it's gonna get power.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
It's got power?
Yeah.
Ooh.
What the hell?
Tight fit.
Oh, God. Oh no, that's not a good sign. That's not great.
It's not a full tank though, so that's cool.
Yeah.
All right, so put the flathead right there.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna hit it.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit it.
Has a bunch of shits going into the tank. We probably have to pop this line off.
Oh, I think you popped it off. Oh, okay. Ew.
Ew.
Yeah, you might have some rust in that bitch. Bucket. Wow. How did they stuff this big thing in here? Look at that.
I'm sure the corrosion doesn't. Ew.
Oh, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
No.
Look, that's disgusting.
Look at that.
Ew. Ew.
Yikes.
What?
Oh my god.
There we go.
Something fell off.
It was the sock. Wow.
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 That thing smells full of shit.
Oh yeah, you kind of see it in there. Oof. Yeah, that's our fuel delivery problem right there.
Sure.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Even
Spicy, bro. Woo. That thing's disgusting. Disgusting.
Oh, we're kind of at a dead end here. We determined that there's a lot of rust in the fuel tank. Probably the pump sucked it up. The wires on the actual fuel pump sending unit are toast, so I'll probably have to get a new sending unit, maybe a new tank, drain the tank. So that's pretty much all we can do for today. At least we're getting spark, and the ECU is, you know, firing now, so I can hook it up to the laptop. So should be good.